this is Peter with PM Designs. This is going to be a very quick video just to show you how you can make some extra shapes, which maybe you don't know about. I can't remember why I was looking through Reddit and I came across this question. Somebody asked, how can you make these extra shapes without building them? Somebody's actually already answered it down here, even though it's still the what do you call it? The thread is still open, it's unsolved, but the answer is down here. But I thought, just in case anybody else is out there is looking for how to make these, I'll make a quick video. I don't know why you'd want to make these. Maybe like what do you call it? D&D or something. If you want to 3D print your own dice. But anyway, it's really easy. Blender has them already in there, but you just need to go to your preferences and add-ons and look for extra objects. So this one, add mesh extra objects. Enable that, save it, close out here. When you go to add mesh, come down to, where's it gone? Extras, it's here, not extras, math function, and then go to regular solid, and it's got them all here. All of those shapes are here. What was the first one? The first one was a tetrahedron, and I just want to keep that on basic with no truncation. And there you go, you've got your kind of four-pointed equilateral pyramid, if you want to call it that. I don't know what you call it. A four-sided equilateral pyramid, or just call it a tetrahedron. Anyway, got that one there. Just do the same thing again. Mesh, math function, regular solid, and you've also got, I think, what was the other one they were looking for? I think the other one on there, I don't know why, is a cube. I have no idea where we could get a cube from. Yeah. Also, what's the next one he wanted? An octahedron, an 8-sided shape with an 8-sided triangular shape. That's there. You've also got, you can do, I haven't used most of these. I did for some reason. I was trying to make a Rolo Triangle, so I found out how to make this tetrahedron. A Rolo Triangle, I don't know if you know, is it a Rolo Triangle or a Rolo Circle, Rolo Sphere? Anyway, is a triangle or a sphere of perfectly equal width all the way around. It's a type of wheel. Anyway, it can be used as a wheel. The other one he wanted is a dodecahedron, which I believe is a 12-sided shape. And also, what was the last one he wanted? It was an icosahedron, this one, which I have no idea how many sides that is. What's that? 20? 20 sides? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, it's really easy, and there are many more in there. If you're looking for, if you know what you're talking about and you know a bit about maths, which I don't, you can choose one of these defaults. You can also truncate them. So if I were to, let me bring back the tetrahedron. And I'll show you what that means to truncate. I guess if you're doing this, shouldn't move it. Yeah, if once you move it, you can't adjust it. That's a problem. So you have to adjust it all while it's there. Let me hide these other ones first. Yeah, once you bring it in, you've got these settings you can mess with down here. But if you do anything over here in the viewport, this disappears. So yeah, you can truncate it. Well, that doesn't seem to. Maybe it doesn't work on a tetra. Oh, there we go. So I can actually make that into, what would that be? That's an octahedron. And also you've got this thing down here. Let me just bring that back down. You've got all of these other maths things which you can make. What's that? That's like a, I don't know, 50-sided shape? I have no idea. But yeah, so maybe that would be, would you use that as a D20 in like Dungeons and Dragons or something? I don't know. But yeah, so there you go. If you want these extra shapes, remember, edit, preferences, add-ons, extra objects, add, mesh, math function, regular solid, and then you find all of these presets, and you've got loads of them down there. So yeah, if you found that useful, please drop a like. Thanks very much.